Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, loosen the 2 captive screws on the back of the base cover. Remove the 7 other screws and pry the cover off the system to remove it. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw. Lift the drive out of the system and flip it over. Remove the screw to disconnect the drive from the latch. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, tighten the screw to secure the drive to the latch. Flip the drive over and place it back in the system. Tighten the screw to secure it. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.